So good morning, everyone. So here you can see that I told you different case studies related to loan taken from three different people. One was agricultural trader, one trader. Second one was from the bank, and the third one was from the employer who is a landowner, right? So three case studies I told you. In these three case studies, you can see some similarities, some differences and all. Okay, or mainly we can talk about the differences. Here one area you think of bank, the other area you think of landowners, or you can think of the large traders. So large traders, landowners on one side, bank on other side. Okay, so can you just tell the differences between these two sources of credit? One, we are talking about the source of credit from bank. Another one, we are talking about the source of credit from money lenders or land owners or employers, like that. Okay, so can you think of a few differences? First, you do one thing, write it down, the differences. I will ask you. Okay, some two, three, at least minimum three differences you can find from that. Just write down the differences between the loans taken from a bank or the loan taken from money lenders and the landowners or the employers. 2, 3 points you write it down, and I will ask you after 5 minutes. Okay, just fast. Write it down. The differences between loans taken from bank and loans from money lenders and landowners. What all differences you can think of, just write it down. Maria, Isha, Aaron, all switch on your video. Fast. Noble, Krishna, Emrin. Anuj,
Ma'am,
you can switch on your video, right? Yes. I hope you have written down 3 points you got. Anyone completed differences between the loan from money lenders and bank? Anybody completed? Raise your hand. No one. What all differences you can find between the loans from money lenders and a bank? Shania, okay, you have completed. So 1 point, can you give one difference?
Ma'am,
Tell.
and money lenders are individuals.
Money lenders are individuals. No, especially when we are talking about the loans. We want the differences, what happens in the loan. Okay, money lenders are individuals and banks are a group of people. No, not that kind of difference. When you take a loan, what differences you can find? Any other difference have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Money lenders collect
Money lenders
livestock.
collect.
Livestock.
I didn't get. Money lenders collect.
Money lenders collect from the borrower their livestock, jewelry, etc.
Livestock. That's what you said.
Yes, ma'am. Their animals.
I didn't. Yeah. Well, just wait. I didn't get what you mean by that. What about the banks then?
And banks collect the collateral.
Oh, no, it's not necessary. Collateral means only one thing. A collateral can be this livestock and anything it can be. Bank also give loans for, you might have heard, they give loans for cattles and all. Keeping cattles as security. They give actually. It's not necessary that one. Any other point have you written?
High interest rate for money lenders.
Yeah, high interest rate will be there from the loan, from which side?
Money lender.
Money lenders. High interest rate you can see, which is charged by the money lenders. And what about the banks?
And low interest.
Low interest rate or reasonable interest rate or cheap interest rate will be charged by the banks here. Okay, that is one thing. Any other difference you could find? Anyone?
In the money lenders to repay the money.
Money lender. Money lender.
And we want to repay when we borrow the money. We want to repay the money. And when our things get done, we want to repay money.
Yes, that you have to repay in bank also. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the difference here?
Ma'am. Ma'am. In bank we can repay monthly.
Bank we can repay monthly.
Money loans we need to.
Yeah, money lenders it's not compulsory. Maybe after 1 year it can be, or sometimes what they do whenever they get money, it is like that. There is no particular mode of repayment. Okay, that also can be told as one difference. Any other difference? Yes. Isha, you are correct. Visha, can't you speak? Isha. Okay. What Isha is telling that when we take loans from money lenders, there is a chance that money lenders will threaten us. They may throw things and all those things you might have seen in some films and all sometimes, right? So they come to your house and they will make it, they will destroy the things because when we are not paying the, the loans here. But this will happen in bank. Will this happen?
No, ma'am.
No, it will not happen. They will take your things, that is compulsory, but it's not that they will come and destroy all the things. Nothing like that happens. Okay, so this is one difference. Any other difference do you have? Any other difference? More are there. Can you think of? Who can say? See, don't feel that when I say whether what teacher will think or whether it will be wrong. Don't think like that. Yeah, Raya, bank has different plans for taking loans. Different plans in the sense? What do you mean by that?
Like paying that different plans.
Like that, what you're talking, maybe mode of repayment and all those things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other difference?
And the banks can repay money anytime.
At banks we can repay at any time. Okay. Even if you have a lot of money with you, that you can repay and get the loans can be done. Any other difference? Anjali?
In bank loans, when we take loan, we require some documents.
Yeah,
that
some
it's identity
documents.
proof.
Very good, very good. That is one important difference. Some documents we require to submit there, but money lenders, it's not at all necessary. If you know that particular person, money lender know that particular person, sometimes they may give loans in advance, especially in the case of Rama. You think of Rama, she is not keeping any document or anything for taking loan, right? So she is just promising that she will work for that particular person, and the money lender, that owner, he knows very well that she will not run away. Okay, and she is always dependent on that particular person. That is one difference. That's a good difference. Then one more difference, you can see interest. I told you that one person told. Other than that, one more difference you can see if you read that Rama and the other one. Rama's case, if you read, you will understand little more difference is there. Yeah, Shania is telling, if we ask money from money lenders, they will give you immediately. That is correct. But if we ask from the banks, there are many procedures. Correct. Okay, it will take a lot of time if you are going to a bank and getting loan. And money lenders, if you see, you go and ask them, easily they can give. So people sometimes, that they want the money immediately. So for that purpose, they will approach the money lenders even though the rate of interest is very high. Banks, if you give, they will study about your property. They will see that whether it is correct or not. They will check information. Then only they will see that whether it should be passed or not. So like that, so many procedures are there. So because of that reason, it may take little bit time. Now again, I'm telling everyone, switch on your video. As you go on talking, I feel that you are switching it off. Yes. So this is one difference. One more difference you can find when you read Rama's case. What is that one more difference? Time period, not time period. See, if you read Arun's, you can see that what he did with his loan. But Rama, the loan, if you see, the repayment, if you see, that you can find a difference. What is that? Yes, Raya, correct. Okay. Money lenders give loans on the top of another loan. They give loans to, even though the previous loan is not repaid, the money lenders will give the loans more. There is nothing, it's not necessary that the previous loan should be paid or not. They will give on the top of that one more loan. There is no problem for them. But do you think that banks will do that? Banks will not. Yeah, we can take loans before we repay an old loan from the money lenders, but banks will never give that. Banks, what they do, once you repay the loan, then only you can get the another loan. Now in this also, okay, Shweta, in this also one more thing is there. Now when you are getting a loan, in the case of Arun, it is given that he has taken loan for doing the cultivation first. Okay, so he might have kept the papers of land there. Now if he has not paid and he is starting another cold storage, he can keep this paper and he can take, but on one collateral he will be getting only one loan. Okay, so these are the main differences you can see related to the loans taken from a bank, or we call bank as a formal source of credit. Okay, and what are the non-formal sources then? What will all things come under non-formal sources of credit? Can you tell? Who all will come under non-formal sources of credit? Money lenders, okay, correct. Then Who else? Friends it can be, okay. Friends and relatives, money lenders, landowners, then traders, then like that. So many people are not there under the, what do you say, supervision of RBI. You know that in banks and all, they are under the supervision of RBI. Okay, so there will be one group of people are there who are giving loans. They are not under the supervision of RBI. All those comes under non-formal source of credit. And what comes under formal source of credit? That the banking system. Okay. Now, one more topic they have given in your textbook related to it. That is about, yeah, that is about cooperative system, cooperatives, how they function in our country. So 2-3 examples they told related to the loan, who is giving loan. I told you money lenders, then friends it can be, relatives it can be. Then you can see that from one area from where we are getting, that is cooperatives. Have you heard about cooperatives?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cooperatives in the sense, mainly what the people they do, they form a group, or what they save some, this cooperative banks, have you heard? Yes or no?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
might have heard. You know, do you have any idea how these cooperative banks are formed? Any idea related to that?
The people.
The
Other people.
people, yeah, the people in and around those who are living there, especially the head office I'm talking. If there is a cooperative bank, all the people nearby, they will have a share of it. Now, what is the share here? Maybe 100 rupees. Okay, so everyone, so like that, maybe one family might have taken one share, 100 rupees, 10 shares they might have taken, or 100 shares they might have taken. That means they might have contributed 100 rupees and got one share. They might have got a paper. Okay, like that, all the people they join together and they put some amount of money. From that, they start working of like giving loans, accepting deposits, like that they have started. Here also we are talking about that. Other than banks, you can see cheap credit. Here also, what is the speciality of cooperatives? They also provide cheap credit to the people. Cheap credit in the sense, here interest rate will be less compared to the money lenders, or who is coming? The traders, or whatever other for informal sources of credit. Okay, so here cheap credit will be provided, especially in the rural areas, or we call it as cooperative societies. Okay, now what they do actually, the members of these cooperatives, members means those who are all belonging to that particular cooperative, what they do, they pool their resources. What do you mean by pool their resources? Pool their resources. What do you mean by that?
Either
Bring,
giving the either
bring,
resource.
bring the resources together. That is what bring the resources. What is a resource here now?
Potato, that vegetable.
Money. They are talking mainly about the money here. Okay, they are not taking the vegetables or anything. They sell that and you can get the money. Here, pooling the resources, that is a little more difference is there. So here, members, what they do, pool their resources in some areas, and what they do, they make, they form an association. Sometimes you might have heard about farmers cooperatives, weavers cooperatives, and like examples they have given in your textbook, like farmers cooperatives, weavers cooperatives, industrial workers cooperatives, like that. Okay, now one example it is given, that Krishak cooperative, that is a name of a cooperative. It is in a village. It is not very far from Sonpur, it seems. It's a village nearby. How many farmers are there, members here? How many
Yeah.
farmers are there? 2,300 farmers, they are the members. what they do, it accepts a deposit from its members. You see, what are they accepting? What are they accepting?
Deposit.
Numbers from the
They're accepting
Deposits.
deposit. Now, what do you mean by this deposit?
bank loans. Like that.
Money.
Is
Money.
it bank loan?
Money they will.
Money.
Money. They accept money from the
Money.
bank, from the members. Okay. Now, what they do, everyone is pooled, everyone's money is pooled together. Okay, pooled together. You think that 100 members are there or 1,000 members are there. Okay, minimum everybody contributed 1,000 rupees. So it has become how much? 1,000 members, 1,000 rupees, everyone contributed. It became how much now?
23 lakh.
Eh?
No, no, 2 lakh.
10 lakh.
30,000.
It is how much?
2 lakh.
1,000 rupees.
1 lakh.
Actually, how much it is? ₹1,000 per person. 1,000 farmers are there. So you are multiplying this, right? How come 20 lakh?
Ma'am, 2 lakh 30,000.
Not 10 lakh.
From where you are getting these answers?
I did mind calculation. That way.
Okay, mind calculation, I don't know how it is. So 2 is coming.
10 lakh.
1,000 to 2,000, right? Don't confuse me now. Okay. So here, how much you are getting here? Is it 10 lakh? Yes, 10 lakh. Now, in this 10 lakh, what they do, they will deposit this in the bank. Okay, what are they doing? They will go this and they will take this and deposit in a particular bank. So it is a deposit there. Now, this deposit they will be keeping as a collateral. Got what I said? This deposit receipt, they are keeping it as a collateral because bank knows that this much money is there for this particular cooperative. So they are taking it as a collateral, and what they do, they give loans. So do you think that that's 10 lakh will be given as loans? How it is? How much they can give? Maybe 10% or 15% they will reduce. Okay. Then whatever is remaining, they will give as loans here. Okay. Now cooperatives can obtain a large loan from the bank. Sometimes, you know, because it is a cooperative, the bank will have more trust. They may give more money also as a loan to the cooperatives. Okay. Now, when they give loans to these cooperatives, what they do, these funds they will provide as loans to its members. Okay. Now, once these loans are repaid, so when the members are repaying this loan, they can take another loan from the bank here. Like that, you can see there are cooperatives. Now, sometimes what happens, they start working themselves as the bank also. Okay, because they have lot of money with them, they will start function like a bank here. Okay, so this is one important thing you can say, how these cooperative banks are working, cooperatives are working, or how they are working. How are they working? Can anyone say how are they working?
The
Any-
members of a certain area will deposit money.
Then what they will do with that money? Depositing is done.
They
Depositing
will
or they
deposit in a particular bank.
then okay, they deposited in a particular bank. Then what happened?
They will reduce 50% and the rest they will
Oh,
give
okay,
us
okay.
a
Don't
loan
think
to
that.
the
Don't tell that they will. Okay, don't think that 15%. They will. They deposited. Now keeping that as a collateral. Okay, they can get what? Cooperatives can get what? Say down.
loans.
They can get the loans there. So by keeping that as a collateral, they are getting loans here. Now, after that getting loan, what is happening?
They will give loans to their members.
Yeah, they will give that loans there, or sometimes we know that if they are getting sometimes 10 lakh itself as a loan, what happens? That will be maybe one member may need 2 lakh, another member may need 3 lakh. Like that, they will think and they will see who should get or who should get a proper chance. They will see that who is in need of that, they will be giving the loan. Then what happens?
When they're repaid, they will.
Yeah.
The loans are
they
repaid.
they will repay. When after repayment, what we can do? Again, we can
Give
Take
loans.
vessel.
take loan. Again, we can take loan on what collateral?
Lending that round of.
The same deposit collateral. Okay, again, we can take a loan on keeping that particular deposit as collateral here. So this is what they have given mainly. And you can see that they provide loans. Now, for what purpose they are providing the loans here? Okay. Now you can see for what all purpose. That is mainly for the purchase of agricultural implements. Another one, loans for cultivation and agricultural trade. Sometimes they give loans for fishing or fishery. Loans for construction of houses also sometimes they give. And if there is any other need for a particular person, they will be giving loan for that purpose also. So it's not that only for investment they are giving. You see, as you see here, sometimes even for the construction of houses also they give money to the members here. Okay, so these are the important things related to the loans from cooperatives. Now here also you can see the cooperatives loans will be cheaper or reasonable compared to the money lender and the traders or like that non-formal source here. So cooperatives societies also providing loan at a very reasonable rate, and for what all purpose they give loans here. Krishna is here. Krishna. Ashna, can you tell for what all purpose the cooperatives provide loans? Hmm? Ashna. Ashna. Okay, so the loans are provided for various purpose here. Now with this I'm stopping, and we were doing one activity before, making questions and discussing that. Now 5 more minutes I'll be giving. I don't want anyone to leave in between. Okay, tomorrow is your exam. So just do one thing. First 5 pages I gave you for making questions, right? Now, remaining all the pages you take, from that you can make questions. 5 minutes I will give you, and I will ask according to the roll number. Okay, so that everyone should get a chance now. So the first person, be ready with 1 or 2 questions we will ask first. Election will be there to choose committee. Which election, my dear?
I mean cooperatives.
Yeah, maybe it can be. See, members will be anybody can be a member, but you know that there should be some leader. Okay, or some council should be there. For that purpose, there can be election or they can decide. There used to be elections also. Sometimes you can see that to select the president of the cooperatives, like that it can be. So as finish fast so that we can start. Because tomorrow na exam, so if we discuss few questions, and you can see that these questions will be there, whatever you are discussing. So in between, I'll call out your names. So please answer, okay? Okay, Aaron. Absent. So whoever is absent, present, I'll come to know. After attendance, don't go. When I call out your name for asking question, you should be here, okay? Agna? Agna? Alicia? Anuj?
Ma'am,
Yes. Susan?
Present, ma'am.
Godwin? Lena?
Present, ma'am.
Chrisjo? Delvin?
Present, ma'am. Present. Chris Jo present.
Yes. Delvin? Elena? Isha? Eva?
Present, ma'am.
Shifana?
Ma'am, you are present.
Okay. Shifana? Fizan?
Present, ma'am.
Krishna? Krishna? Maria?
Present, ma'am.
Meghna? Sorry. Meghna?
Present, ma'am.
Nihal? Nazil? Nabil? Navneet? Navneet? Nazrin? Noble? Rachel George?
Present, ma'am.
Rachel Boban? Raya?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Rohan?
Present, ma'am.
Roland?
Present, ma'am.
Roshan?
present, ma'am.
Shweta?
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu? Okay, Agna? Agna is present here. Noble present. Agna is not present. Okay. Alicia? Alicia? Anuj?
Ma'am,
Yeah, just one question. Whatever you prepared. Ebin is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, full form of GDP.
What is that?
Full form of GDP.
Full form of GDP. I think after this page you can ask. After that page GDP, on from there onwards you can ask. Okay. Rohan, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the full form of GDP? Isha, ask many questions, how much ever. Ahlam is present? No. Alna Rose?
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell.
Ma'am, after that GDP, no, you want to make questions.
Yeah. Yes. Rohan, can you tell the full form of GDP?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Gross
Hmm.
domestic product.
Gross domestic product. Okay. Next, any more question did you make? Anuj,
What is organized sector?
what is?
Organized sector.
What is organized sector? That's a big question, right? So answer should be one word. Okay. Any more questions you have? Susan, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Over
Anand-
the past,
Ananda
uh,
Krishna is present. Just 1 minute. Ananda Krishna absent. Okay. Ask.
over the past decade or so, certain new services such as those based on DAS have become important and essential.
Okay. Which sector has become important and essential? Sriram, can you tell? Arun is present? No.
Primary sector.
Is it primary sector? Ashik is present? No. Is it primary sector? Who can say?
Tertiary sector.
Yeah, it is tertiary sector. Okay. Atulya is present or not? Yes, present. Okay. Next question. Susan, next question. Baston, present? No.
Not
Yes.
not every good or services that
Hmm.
is produced and sold need to be content. It only makes sense only to include the dash and dash.
Once more, can you repeat?
Not every good or services that is
Hmm.
produced
Hmm.
and sold
Hmm.
need to be contented. If only makes sense only to include the dash and dash.
And I think you are talking of the GDP,
No, ma'am.
related to GDP. Okay. Who can say the answer? Who can say the answer? No one.
The question I didn't get. Can once.
Okay. Anybody understood the question? Hmm?
it was-
Okay. Once more, they are asking you to repeat. Can you?
Yes, ma'am. Not every good or services that is produced and sold need to be content. If it only makes sense only to include the dash and dash.
Only to include dash and dash. I think. Okay. Just say the answer.
Final goods and services.
Services. Final goods and services. That's what I asked, whether it is related to GDP. Okay. Next question. Dominic is absent, right? Yeah, Anjali is put present. Dominic is absent. Elsa present. Emrin present. Fagad? Absent. Gauri? Just I will call out the names just 1 minute. Okay, Gauri, Gautam. What about Gautam? Absent. Jerlin? Absent. Jesslyn? Absent. Devsana present, I mark. Justin? Someone please check also on that name of participants, whether they are present or not. Justin, absent. Karthik, present. Kshetra, present. Lakshmi Nanda, present. Melita,
Present, ma'am.
Minha,
Present, ma'am.
present. 1 minute, okay. Revu, Said,
Present.
Tania, Shania, present. Sean, what about Sean? Present. Sovel,
Present, ma'am.
Sriram, Srihari absent. Swati,
Present, ma'am.
present. Okay, then bye everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.